Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will discuss about array flat method. So guys, array flat method is very useful method and it introduced in ES9. So array flat method returns a new array with the element of sub array. So here maybe it is confused to you. So I will show you the practical example, then it will be clear to you. So first of all I will create an array. So where arr equals to an array. So this is the array and here you can write any variable name as per your choice. And now inside this array I will put some values like a and b. And now here I will create a sub array. That means I will create an array inside this array. So that is called sub array. So now here I will create another array and now I will put another value like c. You can put a different value or the same value, but here I will create a sub array to show the example. And now d, and now again suppose again I will create another sub array inside this array. So here I will create an array and suppose another two values I will put here, but you can put as per your choice. So now here is the array I have created, that one, and this array there are multiple sub array. So now suppose I want the output like this. So the output like this way, if I want the output like a comma b comma c comma d comma e comma f. So now here you can see the output. So this array, it's a new array and it's created the element of this sub array. So this array it's created from this array and it creates the element of sub array, because here you can see they are the sub array. So this output we can bring by the using of array flat method. So now I will show you the syntax of array flat method. So now I will copy this array because I want to use array flat method in this array. So I will copy this variable name and here I will put arr dot flat and parenthesis. So this is the simple syntax. And now after using this flat method, just I will store inside another variable like output, but you can write any variable name. And now here I will print this console dot log and this output variable and semicolon. And now, but before printing this, after using array flat method, I will print the original value of this array also. So console dot log and arr. So it will be clear to you. And now I will refresh and open the developer tools. Go to console and I will zoom in the size so it will be watchable. So here you can see the first array. So here is the array a, b, and after that sub array that is cd, and inside this array again another sub array ef, that is comes by this one, the original value. And now after that, after using flat method, I printed this one, that means this. So here you can see it comes a, b, c, d, and after that it's a sub array ef. So here I got the output like not this way, I got the output like, so I will copy this one and here it creates another sub array, because guys I have used one flat method. So one flat method takes the create the array with this sub array. So this sub array is stable now. So if I use dot flat again, So, so now this flat method for this sub array CD, and after that EF is also a sub array. So this flat method is for this sub array. So there are two sub array. You can see here CD, and inside this array here EF. So there are two sub array. So that's why I have to be write two flat method. So now if I see the output, refresh, and here you can see this is the original value of this array, and now here is the array that creates the element of sub array. So I think it will be clear to you. So again I will show you that if I remove one flat method, and let's see what's happened here. So here you can see A, B, C, D, it's come a single array, but there are two array inside the sub array, because here is the two sub array and I use one flat method. So that's why it's one sub array is stable yet. But if I use two flat method here, so it will be create a single array, and it comes this way. But again inside this sub array, suppose there are another sub array like G. So again it will be see here is the one array, because now here is the three sub array CD, EF and G, the three sub array here, and but I use two flat method. So that's why here one sub array is situated here. But again if I use the another flat method, because three sub array, so three flat method. So here you can see now so now here you can see it comes a single array. So array flat method creates a new array with the element of sub array. So this is the features of ES9. So hope guys this video is helpful to you, and if you find this video is helpful, so please like, and if you want to get more JavaScript video, so subscribe and press the notification bell icon.